everyone, and welcome to Murphy's Law Garage. Today, we crushed the Clunker. Like that.
My tail light. Sunday, we will be removing this screw from this tire to replace that donut to do some really crazy hooning of the Impala.
Yeah, so we got the donut on there. We can't hoon with that on there. So, get her, bro. I don't think hammering it in was the right option.
I think you're right.
You're looking bad on camera.
Trying.
Tighten it up. Tighten up.
Yeah.
Get it out. Oh, the muscles, bro.
Oh yeah.
It's too dry. You're gonna have to spit on it first.
Just like my childhood.
Oh, you jumped out and you missed the hole. She ain't happy no more. Slow down, Pep. Slow down.
All right, our last plug. Careful.
Careful, Lang. Careful, Lang. Oh, yeah.
God, it's tight.
All right. One full rotation.
Half. Full.
And pull as hard as you can. By George, you did it.
Yeah. Go ahead and put a jack under the car, JB, while I get these.
Oops. Oops. Damn it.
Lower.
Damn it. Harder.
Lower. Pull.
Damn it.
You want to tell me why you cross-threading this?
Well, apparently at some point these nuts got ruined and someone put them on backwards to hold the donut on. It's like I was telling Seth, I know where Mother Nature keeps her Loctite. Step back and get the F out my way.
Can do, buddy. Can do.
Click!
You gotta be kidding me.
Is it tight yet?
I think so. JB's
So,
making me do it.
the oil's a little low, and we got that in the trunk. Oh my, Seth, stick it in the hole. Jesus. Stick it in the hole, Seth. What was that? All right, so power steering fluid wasn't enough. This was in the trunk, awfully suspicious. That ought to keep it well lubricated.
That's how you do it.
What? Oh, hold on. Intermission, we'll be right back. You know that mess they tell you about making sure this is off and doesn't fall in your engine? We ain't about that. In fact, hold on. Just for good measure. And sold. All right, we got to keep this thing from rolling off the stands. That ought to do it. Something like that.
What we came in here for again? What are your intention? No?
There it is. All right, let's get this exhaust out of here the wrong way. right, everyone. That's how you take the exhaust out from underneath the car. Next, we're gonna do a little personal
Hey, hey, hey! You checked out a tool. You didn't bring it back.
I'm sorry I didn't bring the tool back, Mikey.
Come on, man.
That was some mighty impressive police car moves you pulled there.
Hey, I'm telling you, if you don't bring back my flathead screwdriver, you're gonna feel the wrath of the ninja.
Oh, I'm gonna bring you a screwdriver, all right. Freaking Mikey, you were supposed to wait till the Bronco did this, damn it. Good job, Seth.
I'm warning you now, if you don't start bringing my tools back, you're gonna feel the wrath of the ninja. Look at that. There you go. Alright, so there's only one reason. You see, it's not a very big dent. That kick had a lot of force behind it. The only reason the dent's not bigger is because it's a Chevy. It's built like a rock. Alright guys, a quick mod for you, for all my Chevy fans out there. This is a quick and easy way to make up to 100, 150 extra horsepower on a Chevy. All you need is a glove, some paint, dip your finger in like that. You gotta find a perfect spot. Just 1, 2. That's at least 150 horsepower right there.
Get it slick, son.
Custom, one of a kind.
Hey, does that give it more horsepower if you go all the way down the windshield too?
At least 35.
35.
And 12 more miles per gallon.
I heard it makes it more aerodynamic.
You heard wrong.
Is that the key? Thanks. It took a little bit of a turn there at the end, didn't it? All right, we can't do this without doing it for Dale. Cletus McFarland, if you're watching this, we end this with you, bro. Today we're hooning it for Dale.
What is going on over here? I know it's super wet right now.
Oh, no.
What are we working on?
Ensuring I don't get hit by an airbag while doing stupid things.
I think people might want to see you get hit by an airbag though.
But I don't want to go to the hospital.
Fair enough.
There's the airbag.
Found it.
All right, this airbag's disconnected. Seth's pulling this one out right now.
Wow,
Hey. I won't get smacked in the face. Please, Jesus, keep me alive. Probably be the last time I jump something. can do this, bro.
Well, hold on. You didn't slow down.
No, but it was very hard to get in a straight enough line to stay on it. I'm gonna try to take a different path this time. One more. I think this is definitely going to be a one take. Something's going to get hurt on this one.
Something's gonna get hurt on this one.
Right?